This screencast is for IXL P1, identifying arithmetic and geometric sequences. So in this IXL, you're going to be given a sequence, either in like a word problem or a list like this, and you need to decide if it is either arithmetic, which means we're going to add or subtract each time, geometric, which means we're going to multiply or divide each time, both, so that could be add, subtract, multiply, or divide, and then neither, of course, is going to be nothing that's going to work. So to start, for this one, I have a sequence of 2, 12, 72, and 432. So first thing I would do is look to see, can I add the same number each time? So from 2 to 12, I would be adding 10. But from 12 to 72, I'm definitely not adding 10. So it's not arithmetic. So we can cross that one out. The second thing we're going to look at is if it is geometric. So I'm going to start by dividing. I'm going to take 432 and I'm going to divide it by 72. When I get that, I get a difference of 6. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take 72 divided by 12. And if that gives me 6, then I can check one more time. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is going to be a geometric sequence. So each time we're multiplying the previous number by 6. In this example, we are going to take Jacob's Bakery is getting more and more orders for blackberry pies. The baker makes 738 pies in June, 738 in July, 738 in August, and 738 in September. So we want to figure out what kind of sequence this is. Review, arithmetic is adding or subtracting. Geometric is multiplying or dividing. Both means we could do either combination, and then there's neither. So if we're looking at our sequence, we have 738, 738, 738, and 738. Well, if I go through and I think about arithmetic first, that's adding or subtracting the same number each time. Well, I could add 0 each time and get my sequence. So that would work. If I check geometric, 738 divided by 738 is going to give me 1. So I could say I multiply each time by 1. So in this situation, this will be a both. So we can add 0 each time, or we can multiply by 1. In this example, we have the sequence 36, 49, 64, and 81. So again, first I'm going to check to see if it's arithmetic. So if I take 49 minus 36, I get a difference of 13. But if I add 13 to 49, I get 62. So it's not going to be arithmetic. So my next option is to check if it's geometric. So if I look at dividing my 81 by 64, I get a decimal. It's like 1.265625. Well, now I'm going to check 64 and 49. 64 divided by 49 is a different decimal, so this is not geometric either. So in this situation, since it's neither of these, we're going to circle neither. For the last example, Robert did 111 sit-ups on Sunday, 99 on Monday, 87 Tuesday, and 75 on Wednesday. What kind of sequence is this? So I'm going to start and take 111 minus 99, and I have a difference of 12. Well, I'm going to take 99 minus 12, and I get 87. So right now it's working out pretty well. 87 minus 12 will give us 75. So since we're subtracting 12 each time, this would be an arithmetic sequence. This IXL is one ribbon is 100%.